how we can do animation in that of Power BI. So for that, first of all, take the scatter plot and then zoom it. So now you can see that no values are here. Let's put the values one by one. So let me take a discount here in that of values. For x-axis, let me take sum of sales. For y, let me take sum of profit. So for legend, let me take product ID. If at all I can get it here, if not getting here, so I can search it here. So product ID I have taken. Size, if I have to take size, let me take the size of segment. And for play axis, I'll take month as the play axis, so I can pick the month and put it in the play axis. So if at all, now I'll play it. So you can see that for March, April, May, for every month the animation is moving. For more such like videos, do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.